Hi everyone, hope everybody's doing fine. I think today is Thursday, May the 14th. Pretty nice day. We've been having rain last 2 days. We've had a lot of rain lately, and thought I'd get a chance to get out, look in the creek. It's a little high, not too bad. Looked like it had a pretty good wash. And I haven't been out probably 10 minutes and noticed a point right down here on edge. Looked like it's all there. It's stuck in this rock. Looked like it's been in here a long time. Kind of a contracting stem. Hate to call it Dixon. Everybody calls them Dixon, and a lot of them aren't. Pretty nice point. I guess we'll keep looking later. Hardly put the camera away and took a few steps and noticed some flint here. Looks like it's been worked. Looks like what's left of a little knife, maybe. Could have been a point worked down into the knife. Looks like Jeff City shirt. Hey, maybe things to go my way today. We'll keep looking later. Thought I'd wear my shorts out here today. Wait a little bit, but that water is really cold. All that rain we've had, been really cold rain, and raised hell with our mushrooms this year. So that's that. I saw a little flake laying up here when I walked up here. Piece of plastic, but there was looks like a bird point right here beside it. Excuse me. Looks like just a little bit of the tip is gone. Pretty nice one. Base looks a little lobed on it. If that's intentional or not. Anyhow, I'll take it. We'll keep looking for more. Just picked up this flake knife. Appears to be a flake knife. Could be a flake. It's hard to tell once it's been in the gravel. But I'm calling it a flake knife for now. Here's a look at the bluff here. Goes down through here for quite a ways. There's a few small shelters in there, but there's not much sign of habitation. They're pretty small. We'll go up and walk along there and see if we can find anything. Here's what it looks like from up here. You can see the bluff line along through here. I think it gets better down this way. Look like some animals got some dens in here. I've never found much here. Heard a few flakes, pieces, but found some broken arrowheads here, I guess. Pretty colors on that moss growing on there. Almost look like another animal den. Some of these rocks that fell. If you lived here under a shelter and be on top of your head. Like pieces of deer bone. This room's big enough to stay in. I think people dug this out before. You can see holes. It's more deer bone. Looks like deer bone. Like somebody had a little fire here. You can see on that sandstone what that used to be the beach. Ripples many thousands of years ago. Came around here and where this water runs off the bluff top, cut back the sandstone pretty good. Put this bright piece of chert laying here. Looked like it could be something. Got a dog leaf flower on it. definitely worked. Some type of tool. Scraper, maybe, half-tip scraper. Cool, then I see something up here. This stuff. Right here. Like a broken, looking like a broken Afton. Well, that's just a got a burnated edge on there, but it still looks like an Afton. They're pretty thin. I found a few of these small ones like this. Seems like every one of them's broken up. They put them on their ladle darts, I believe. They're so thin that they break up easy. Cool. We'll keep looking around here. Another section down here. It's got a pretty good overhang. Tree is trying to grow around it. Pretty rock formations. Maybe some gold up there in those cubby holes somewhere. Jesse James. I think he's been everywhere. Pretty cool. Nice little cave right here to get out of weather if you had to. Little story. Used to live in southeast Oklahoma, Poto, Oklahoma. They got a big hill there they call Kavanaugh Hill. It's made out of sandstone, and I was climbing around in it one day and pulled myself up on a ledge like this. When I looked up, a great big mother buzzard flew out of there and scared the heck out of me. I almost fell. Had a couple little ones in there. Wasn't funny at the time, but it's kind of funny now. There's a cool looking darters in this creek here. I don't know how well you can see them. Males are real colorful. A few of them there. We'll take a look underwater here.